How to create new group on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Vimeo. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go right here, then go down to collections and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go down and you will find this create new group option and click on it like this. Now choose the group name. For example, I'm going to choose Mark and add description, then manage the privacy settings and click create this group. And as you can see, I just created a group. Now you can add videos to this group easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end.